What is survey design? As it is a part of research design, we need to understand what is survey design. Survey design is the process of creating surveys with goals of receiving maximum insights from survey research. It includes using an online survey tool to design a survey from scratch or using ready made survey templates. A personalized survey allows us to better understand customer behavior within the market. With a good survey design, it is possible to gather the necessary information that allows us to have a better strategy for decision making, prevents problem, and maintain a constant improvement of the company.